Alright guys, so we're here on the wharf making some red GreensEra bracelets. Simple, macrame, um, using recycled plastic cord. This one already started at home, as you can see. Started this one home and now I'm here crafting out the finished product for you. Hold on, I think I do myself good enough right here, so we good to go. Looking proper, looking fresh to death. Vlog pic alert. Heal up, up in the grades. Take care. Oh. So yeah, let's start crafting all this. Let's finish this one. This one is using the thickest red cord I have. You know, normally a bracelet like this would take me about 45 minutes, guys. So let's see how long it actually takes me today. Oops. My bad. My bad. Alright. So we're here. We're back again. Y'all can see, right? Y'all can see me crafting this, right? Let me see if I can give y'all a better view. Bend down. Right there. Everyone see in front of me. Go down. Right there. Everyone see in front of me. Hold on, let me pause.